Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'm going to show how to use a VLookup formula to create a bill or invoice, and also I will show how to use data validation to create drop down menu. Okay, so in this column right here product, and here write unit price. Okay, so let's assume we are running a computer shop, so we want to sell computer product. So let's write hard disk, RAM, mouse, keyboard, headphone. Okay, so hard disk price 3000 taka, RAM 2000, mouse 550, keyboard 600, headphone 650. Okay, at first we need to create a table here, so select all the cells here, go to insert, go to table. Here my table has headers. Make sure you check this box because our table has a header, so click OK. So now we have created a table here. Our table name is table 1. If we want to change the name, we can change. So let's change it to product. Okay, product. So now our table name is product. We have to remember this name because we will use this name again. So create a new page here. Let's write here bill or invoice. Select all the cells here and right here. Okay, so now here we write product, and here in this cell we write price. Okay, so product middle alignment. Okay, product. In this column select this cell because we have to create a drop down menu here. So select this cell and go to data validation, and in this box select list. Okay, and this source box put formula equal to indirect, first bracket, quotation mark, then remember our table name product, right? Product, and then quotation mark and bracket close, and click OK. So we have created the drop down menu here. You see, hard disk, RAM, mouse, all these are here. If we select hard disk, our price will come here automatically, right? So we need to select this cell here, and we have to put formula in. So put the formula equal to VLookup formula, then lookup value. Our lookup value is this cell, so select this cell and comma, and then table array. So our table array is in this page, so go to this page and select, this is our table array. Okay, so A and B column, so click on this column and drag up to here and let go. Okay, so we have selected our table array. You see the formula bar. Now comma, now column index number. How many columns we have? 1 column and 2 column, so write 2 here, 2 column, then comma again. Now we have to write here false, this one false, double click and bracket close. Okay, so and press enter. So far so good, we have created the bill or invoice. Okay, in this cell if we change the items, the price will come automatically. Select mouse, the price will come automatically. Okay, now what if we don't select anything here, we keep it blank, just delete it by pressing backspace. You see here the error message will come. So to get rid of this error message, what we have to do, we have to select this cell, go to formula bar and write here if error. Okay, if error, pause bracket, and go to end of the formula and comma, then quotation mark, space and quotation mark again, and bracket close. We keep the space, blank space inside this quotation mark so that the error message will go away. Okay, now press enter. You see this is blank and this one is also blank. Okay, now you select this one, RAM, the price will come automatically. Okay, now what if we want to sell 5 RAM or 10 RAM or 10 mouse? The quantity, what if the quantity increases? Because the price we are getting here only for one items, so we want to sell, let's say 5 RAM. What we need to do, okay, let's call it quantity, and we want to sell 5 RAM. If we write here 5, the price should be 10,000, not 2,000, because 2,000 taka is only for 1 RAM. So to do that, select this cell and go to the formula bar, click here and write here multiplication and select this cell. Okay, and now press enter. So we get the price of 5 RAM. Alright, let's say we want to sell 2 RAM. Okay, 4,000. So this is how we can create a bill or invoice. Alright, now you select all the way 3 cells together and drag it to up to here to copy and paste all the formula into other cells. Okay, so drag here. Now all the cells have same formula. So what you want to do, you want to sell here hard disk. Let's say you want to sell 1 hard disk. Okay, mouse, you want to sell keyboard. Let's say you want to sell 10 keyboard. The price will come automatically. And if you don't want to sell nothing, you see the price will go away. And this is how we can create a invoice or bill for any shop and or any market. So now let's say keyboard 1, the price will come here automatically. RAM 10 RAM, the price come automatically. Now you select all the way down here and go to home menu and auto sum here. The total price will come here, right? So you select this one and write here total. Okay, also you can write here date and select this cell and press Ctrl plus semicolon together to get the date. Alright, so viewers, thank you for watching this video, and inshallah I will be uploading more videos about Excel, Photoshop and Illustrator and many more. So thanks again for watching this video.